Hello, Hanji flowers bloomed again today. Thank you for coming to the channel. Anyone can follow along easily through this YouTube channel. This channel offers a variety of ways to work from Hanji props to Hanji lighting and Hanji furnitures. If it's still before your subscription, please subscribe. Today's mission is to make a pot. The assembly method and the production method are the same, and anyone can follow easily. You can also use the coloring technique after the current. Korean paper presents give great joy to everyone. I'm sure the gift givers and the gift receivers will be happy. It would be nice to have traditional knots together. Try to charm your pots. That's so cool with household props. Colors can be colored in a variety of colors. Sometimes we can put snacks inside it. What are you waiting for? Prepare a jar skeleton. Roll it gently along the knife line. Are you done? Assemble the body. I assembled it using glue gun and paper tape. Since all pot assembly methods are the same, I recommend you to try small pots step by step. The biggest advantage is that everyone can work easily. It's almost ready. When the body assembly is completed, use the remaining Hanji to work on the edges. It makes the edges strong. I assembled the pot lid. I'll use carpentry to work on newspapers to give a natural look. This is a picture of the pot that I worked on the newspaper on the left and the assembly skeleton on the right. Now I will work with newspapers. Slip the newspaper from the top to bottom to get rid of the air. And cut the newspaper according to the frame of the body. I'll work on the entire body of the jar. I worked on the cap frame as well. When you're done with the newspaper, dry it well in a sunny or windy place. Wow, it's very dried. Doesn't it look strong? How do you think? You didn't find it difficult to work on the newspaper, did you? Now I will paste Hanjis on my frames. Put glues on both sides, back and front. If you work on the Hanji connection, you can naturally connect it by tearing it. Rub the hollows well and work while removing the air. It's easier to get rid of air if you wear disposable plastic gloves. Check carefully to see if you let the air out well. I'll also attach Hanji to the lid. Rub the holes between them while deflating them well. Dry it. Now, I'll bleach the well-dried jars. Hold the bleached rag tightly and bleach the pot bone. Rub gently in the direction of the fine area to bleach. Ooh, it's getting bleached well with pretty colors. It's pretty if you bleach it about 3 times. Bleach your body of the jar beautifully. Bleach it in the direction of the texture. Well, it's going well. The natural felling of the log is well expressed. All you have to do is dry it well. This is a 20-kilogram rice container that I made it myself. It's not difficult to assemble. This is a picture of the body skeleton assembly. This is a cap assembly description. You can purchase ingredients by searching for Hanji flowers in the internet search box. You can make Korean paper jars easily now. With Korean paper as blooms, anyone can easily follow along. Thank you for being with me today. Please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.